today we're going to unbox this BISSELL vacuum cleaner. Alright, so we'll take it from the top here. We have the manual. There's a manual here. Our connector. This nice one this is a turbo erase to take away pet fur. Brush. Small connecting nozzle. Take the handle, slide it on, two screws to hold the handle down. Suction hose. Push on, twist, it's locked, and then we can come all the way over and then onto that. Alright, then we are good. Alright. Okay, extension now. Right. So we have our extension brush, our turbo erase for pet fur, especially on small areas. We have our narrow nozzle to suck up from those corners, and then we have our long extension. Alright, so we're going to put on our accessories. So first, the extension, put them in like so, together, all right, and then you go on, down, and then for the turbo brush, or turbo erase, see that thing like that, and then little brush, put this here, all right, and hence that's the setup. Time for testing. Pull the power cord off, take off the protection cap, pull out. There will be a marker. This is the marker to stop. Your power button. At the base, you use your foot. You can see clearly, I'm picking up dust already. Clearly picking up dust. It's really nice. Pick up all the dirt. That's what's possible. Overall, nice bag. Very